Welcome aboard the legendary Azzam, one of the world's largest and most luxurious yachts. Today, we'll take you on an exclusive tour of this floating palace that redefines opulence on the seas. The Azzam boasts a sleek, striking exterior that immediately commands attention wherever it sails. At a staggering length of 180 meters, this yacht is a marvel of naval engineering and design. Its smooth aerodynamic profile slices through waves with ease, while the shimmering white hull is accented by elegant, flowing lines that emphasize both power and grace. The sheer scale of Azzam is awe-inspiring, making it the largest private yacht in the world. Every detail, from the tinted panoramic windows to the polished stainless steel fittings, reflects a blend of modern innovation and timeless luxury. One of the standout features of the Azzam is its fully functional helipad, positioned to offer the utmost convenience and privacy. This helipad allows guests to arrive and depart without ever setting foot on the dock, providing seamless access to the yacht no matter the destination. The space is designed to accommodate large helicopters, making it perfect for quick getaways or scenic tours. The convenience of having a helipad on board is matched by its stylish integration into the yacht's design, ensuring it complements the overall aesthetic without compromising space. Relaxation takes center stage with Azzam's stunning swimming pool and multiple jacuzzis strategically placed for maximum enjoyment. The pool, with its crystal clear waters, offers a refreshing escape while providing breathtaking views of the open ocean. Surrounding the pool are luxurious loungers and plush seating, ideal for soaking up the sun or hosting intimate gatherings. The jacuzzis offer the perfect spot to unwind with warm, bubbling water after a day of adventure, all while enveloped by the yacht's serene and private ambience. The expansive sun deck is designed for ultimate leisure and entertainment. With wide-open spaces, it features a variety of plush seating options, from sunbeds to shaded cabanas, catering to every mood and preference. This area is perfect for morning yoga sessions, afternoon cocktails, or simply enjoying panoramic views of the horizon. The clever layout ensures privacy for guests while promoting social interaction, making it a versatile retreat. Soft lighting and elegant decor add to the atmosphere, creating a soothing and luxurious environment from sunrise to sunset. Inside, the master suite epitomizes luxury with its lavish decor, state-of-the-art technology, and panoramic windows that flood the room with natural light. The suite offers a spacious retreat, complete with a king-size bed, private lounge, and dedicated office space. Each guest cabin is designed with equal attention to comfort and style, boasting en-suite bathrooms and bespoke furnishings. These rooms provide guests with an intimate sanctuary, combining privacy with all the amenities expected on a yacht of this caliber. The interior styling blends classic elegance with modern touches, ensuring a welcoming and sophisticated atmosphere. The bathrooms on board the Azzam are nothing short of spectacular, featuring high-end marble finishes, polished chrome fixtures, and custom-designed vanities. Each bathroom includes a spacious walk-in shower and, in the master suite, a freestanding bathtub positioned to capture ocean views. Luxurious toiletries, heated floors, and ambient lighting enhance the experience, making every visit feel like a spa treatment. The design carefully balances practicality with indulgence, offering both comfort and style in equal measure. Azzam Asterisk S-Garage is a unique highlight, built to house a fleet of supercars and an impressive collection of water toys. The space is climate-controlled to preserve these high-value vehicles and equipment, providing secure and easy access. From sleek sports cars to jet skis and submersibles, every toy is ready for action at a moment's notice. This onboard garage transforms the yacht into a full-fledged adventure hub, perfect for thrill seekers and those who value both speed and luxury on land and sea. The kitchen aboard Azzam is a professional-grade culinary workspace equipped with the latest appliances and ample storage. Designed to cater to the most discerning palates, it allows the onboard chef to prepare gourmet meals with ease and precision. The layout encourages efficiency without sacrificing style, with sleek cabinetry and durable surfaces blending functionality and elegance. Whether preparing casual snacks or a full multi-course feast, the kitchen is the heart of the yacht's hospitality, ensuring every meal is a memorable experience. The dining area offers a sophisticated yet inviting setting for guests to enjoy meals together. Featuring a large, elegant table with plush seating, it is perfect for both formal dinners and casual gatherings. Adjacent to the dining space is the bar area, stocked with premium spirits and designed with sleek, modern aesthetics. The bar serves as a social hub where guests can unwind over expertly crafted cocktails while enjoying panoramic sea views. Together, these spaces balance comfort, luxury, and conviviality, completing the onboard living experience. That wraps up our exclusive look at the magnificent Azzam yacht, where luxury knows no bounds and every detail is crafted to perfection. Thanks for joining us on this tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible yacht reveals.